If your connection suddenly feels slow, here's a quick set of fixes you can try right now. First, click Start, type CMD, right click Command Prompt, and run it as administrator. Inside, type ipconfig slash flush DNS, then ipconfig slash release, then ipconfig slash renew, and finally netsh winsock reset. This clears all DNS and refreshes your network settings. Restart your PC after that. Next, open Control Panel, set View to Large Icons, and go to Network and Sharing Center. On the left, click Change Adapter Settings, right-click your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection, disable it, wait a few seconds, then enable it again to refresh the adapter. After that, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager and check the Performance tab to see if something is using too much bandwidth. And finally, don't forget the simplest fix. Unplug your router, wait 10 to 15 seconds, and plug it back in. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.